In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and a photo at the bottom left corner and tap on all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select Folders, tap on any photo you wish to attach, and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!